so that it can combine well. So our yeast is here. It is already activated. So I add in little oil. Next I add in my wheat flour, little by little. Then mix. So I'll go in with my fingers. Just like that. Then I make a hole. I add in my banana mixture. Remember, we are making banana cake. So I'm going to transfer my dough on the board. Let me dust my board. Just a little, not too much. I transfer the dough to the board and continue kneading until the dough So let us transfer our dough into a bowl. So I'm going to grease my bowl with some oil. Just like that. Then I transfer it into a bowl. Place it into a bowl. So I'm going to cover the dough with, I'm covering the dough with a cling film to make sure it stays warm. So you have to make sure you close it very well. You have to make sure the dough stays warm. So after an hour, this is the result after resting. Our dough has doubled in size, as you can see. Let me open. So look at it. As you see, our yeast has really worked well as it is turning back. Let me dust the board. Then I knead again for 5 minutes. Look at it. So we are done folding our dough. Let us place it aside. So the next step, we are going to grease our baking mold with this one with the butter. So guys, you can use oil, any of your choice. Me, I will decide. So the next step, I'm going to transfer my dough into the mold. Just like that. So we are going to cover just like this. So I'm adding on kitchen towels. Then let us wait for 30 minutes. In another bowl, let us make our egg wash. So I break the egg, add in milk, then whisk. You have to whisk until you see bubbles on top. That is our egg wash. So after 30 minutes, let us check on our dough. So next, we are going to apply our egg wash on top. I will go in with my fingers, then just do it. We are going to bake at 25 minutes. 25 minutes at 160 C exactly. So let us wait. So after 25 minutes, this is how our bread looks. So we are going to turn it to another side. So we are going to apply egg wash again on another side. So we are turning it our air fryer. Make another 25 at 200 C. Let us wait for the result. So guys, let us check. Yes, it is ready. Look at that. Guys, it is ready. Look at it, guys. So yummy. Look at this. It is very yummy, moist. It is so moist. Got it. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one on Friday, 5 p.m. East African time.